Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. And I am so happy. Yes, yesterday, me and my friends, my wife, all went out. Sorry about that. Cold. Me and my friends and wife all went out to celebrate the contract with Dubai. Also, to my surprise, came home, opened up my email, and there was a bunch of other offers in there too from other companies that are interested in the nanotechnology. Now, we're going to make, I got a few announcements to make. The Nano is available today in the 2 quarts with the free Wagner paint sprayer. Also, too, for those of you who are asking us about the wallpaper projection screen kits, that will come with a free sheet of plexiglass that is 4x8. This is a flexible, thin plexiglass, which you're seeing right here. This is the wallpaper screen kit right here. It will come with a free Wagner 150 paint sprayer and a free 3-color option, or whether you want the screen in platinum, whether you want it in silver, or whether you want it in the black. Now over here, I'm going to show you the screen. This is the actual plexiglass itself. It's very thin, very lightweight, perfect for the ultimate wallpaper screen do-it-yourself kit. And it comes with our amazing nanotechnology screen paint. Look at that, look how thin this screen is. Having this laying flat against your wall in black, it's going to look fantastic, or silver or platinum. Now, also too, I wanted to add this kit. It's going to be running for around $998. It is not available in the, it's only available in the US for right now. We are working on with a shipping carrier to start shipping this overseas. Also too, we have another kit that's around $1,600. It does come with a ViewSonic 235.1 and 16:9/16:10 projector, and this projector has something called a lens shift that will allow you to be able to configure your projector's image over and over again. Even if you move it off from left to the right, it'll still keep configuring itself right to fit within that screen. And also keep in mind, the screen does 100-inch 16:9/16:10, and it can do 235.1. Alright, so right now I have it set at 235.1. Let me remove this out of the way real quick because my camera is going buggy on the black screen. Alright, so we're going to do some demonstrations here on the screen to show you how amazing these screens are. Keep in mind the black screen, nanotechnology screens are using smart technology gain times 10, and they're also using a form of color technology or color enhancement technology times 3, which you see how light we have in the environment. For those also too that are asking about the dedicated ceiling paint that's going to be coming out with the laser projectors, we have 2, now not an actual laser projector, these are projectors that put special effects on the ceiling. We have the 2-quart kit that will come with a wave projector, and then we have the deluxe kit that will come with the 2 wave projectors. Also too, it will come with that galaxy star finder that puts the stars in the universe on your ceiling. So, you know, we have a clear version of this, and we also have a black version of this. Alright, so that will be available on Monday, and tomorrow the wallpaper screens will be available on Saturday. Alright, so let's begin. Matter of fact, let's go back a little farther. Go back to the very beginning. All right, there we go. And my volume, as always, is through the roof. Sorry about that. Just had a volume a little better. Can you imagine having this screen in your sports bar? A home theater setup. So you can adjust that volume a little more. That's better. And from any angle, the screen's gonna look fantastic. That's me kicking a box behind me. As usual, I always have boxes behind me. There we go. Let's check out the angle gain. And again, a nano black. A black nano, sorry about that. Alright, come over here. Beautiful picture. Take the lights out. For those of you who want to see the screen with the lights out. Of course, this is very easy to do. Lights out is no challenge whatsoever. Now keep in mind a wallpaper projection screen costs you around $15,000, $16,000, probably a lot more than that depending on the size. This plexiglass is 100 inches. It does 235.1, 16:9, 16:10. We have a kit that comes with the projector. You'll get the projector, the free sheet of plexiglass, 3 color options of the screen paint, and also to the Wagner paint sprayer. And you can do your own do-it-yourself kit that looks absolutely incredible. All right. Let's get another one right here. Now you notice in our demonstrations that the light is coming directly from the ceiling. This is very important because I'm not trying to put anybody down, but I've seen demonstrations where people claim the screen was ambient light rejection, but the problem was that the actual light itself was laying on the floor and the light was pointing upward. You have to have direct light hitting the screen. Having the light laying on the floor means the light may disperse onto the screen, but if you want direct light, that light would have to be in direct line with that projection screen. Now as you can see, the light I have in the environment is in direct line with the projection screen. Like here, like there. Look how beautiful the color looks, especially for a black screen. Alright, let's grab something else really quick. Let me see, I'm going to grab something else really quick in here. Did the soccer already, so that's done. Show you how beautiful this screen can be. Okay, before my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Burr from Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. The wallpaper screen paint kit will be available on Saturday. We're going to have 2 kits available. Actually, one is actually available now. It's the one with the projector. Keep in mind, it's a ViewSonic full 1080p projector. It's long throw, and it has a lens shift on it, which is freaking amazing. It also too has a form of Wi-Fi. I think it's a Wi-Fi or connection. We can actually run the projector wirelessly, without wires. I'll grab another one. Now keep in mind, when I did this demonstration, I got another demonstration I'll be posting at the bottom. The silver next to the nano black. So nano black next to nano silver, or silver nano next to black nano. keep getting those two mixed up. And you'll see the difference between the technology. As I said before, that the black nanos, nano blacks, get that together. The nano black screens have a bit of a silverish to it when it comes to the white, but it's a very good white level, extremely good white level for a black screen. Now keep in mind that the contrast is going to be better on the black screen. Bring this down a little bit so you can hear me. Volume keeps dumping here a bit. So the silver on the silver nano screens, the white levels are going to be much better, much higher. Contrast is going to be fair. When it comes to the black screen, white levels are going to be fair and the contrast levels are going to be outstanding. And as you can see right here, you're looking at the white levels right here on the screen alone. Well, not alone, but you're seeing exactly how amazing it looks. Some angles. My arm in the shot. Like I said, the white levels are very good. It's showing up the smart technology gain on the screen. Keep in mind, my projector has never been calibrated. Still set in the factory default settings. No 4K upscaling. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you all for watching.